Hi, we are now going to look at a factorization question. The question asks us to factorize 4 over 5x cubed minus 1 over 5xy squared. So in factorization, we try to look at the common terms and then bring them out. Okay, what do we see here? We see that we have a 4 over 5 here and we have a 1 over 5 here. So the 1 over 5 is a common term. Okay, so once we bring out the 1 over 5, what do we get? We get 4x cubed minus xy squared. Okay, an important step is always, if you are ever doubtful whether a particular factorization was correct, always reverse it, okay, and just see whether you get back the previous steps answer. So if I expand this, okay, 1 over 5 times 4x cubed, so I get 4 over 5x cubed minus 1 over 5xy squared. Okay, so you can see that by reversing the steps, I get my previous answer. Okay, so this factorization step here is correct. Okay, so let's carry on to the next step. Okay, so after I factorize out 1 over 5, I see that there is also a x cube and x here, so I can factorize out the x. Okay, and what is left is 4x squared minus y squared. Okay, so let's for a moment leave the 1 over 5x and just focus on the bracket here, 4x squared minus y squared. Okay, so what does this look like? Okay, so let's review some of the mathematical sort of shortcuts that we have seen before. So we know that if I have a squared minus b squared, I will get, okay, a plus b and a minus b. Okay, these are the mathematical shortcuts that we know. Okay, if again you're confused, just do your step of expansion. So what you get is a squared minus ab plus ba minus b squared. Okay, ab and ba are the same, so this is a minus, this is a plus, so they cancel out each other. So what you get is a squared minus b squared. Okay, so let's carry on here. So we know that a squared minus b squared is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, what do I have here? I have 4x squared minus y squared. Okay, so this is where you need to be careful. So when we say a squared minus b squared, means it is one particular term square, okay, and minus another term square. Here the y, okay, yes, is a single term, okay, y squared, but this is two terms, 4 and x squared. So I cannot just take x squared minus y squared directly, okay, because there is still a 4 here. Okay, but what I can do is, if I can group this as a single term square, then I can use the above equation here. So how do I do it? I know that 4 is equals to 2 squared. So if I rewrite it, I get 2 squared x squared minus y squared. Okay, and 2 squared x squared. Okay, so let's look at the indices rule that we need to apply. So the indices rule that we need to apply says that if I have a n multiplied by b n, okay, so what is the significance here? The base are different, okay, a and b are two different base, but the power is the same. Okay, a n times b n, okay, so the base is different but the power is the same, so it's equivalent to a times b combined together and the single power n. Okay, so the same thing over here. So I have 2 and I have x, two different bases but the same power. So this is equivalent to 2x squared minus y squared. So now you can see how this thing is going to work out. This whole term here, 2x will be my a, and this term here, y will be my b. Okay, so let's focus on the last step here. Okay, so what I'm going to get here now is 2x square minus y square is equivalent to 2x plus y and 2x minus y. Correct? And bringing in that 1 over 5x that we had left behind earlier, my final answer is 1 over 5x, 2x plus y, 2x minus y. Okay, so that is your final answer for this factorization question. Thank you.